everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Sydney. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to braid your hair. It is okay if you do not know how to braid, but I'm here to teach you. So without further ado, let's just get into the video and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Okay y'all, so my hair is just in this pineapple right now. I'm just going to get a piece of my hair out. So what you're going to do is you have your piece of hair. You have it all nice and neat or whatever, and all you're going to do is you're going to take your section and you're going to split it into 3 pieces. So you have 1, you have 2. Okay y'all, so right here I want you to pay attention to the way I'm holding the strands of hair. You guys can just test out how you want to hold your hair when you're braiding, but this is just how I particularly hold my hands. And you have 3. So there's 2 ways that you can braid your hair, and I'm going to show you the first way. So once you have your 3 pieces, you're going to take this piece closest to your face and you're going to put it under. And then I'm going to take my pinky and I'm going to move this piece out the way. So let me try that again. Let me show you guys that again. So this piece is going to go towards the middle and I'm going to replace it with this piece. So slow, I'm going to show you. And now that piece that was over there should be in the middle. You see that? That piece should be in the middle. So let's try that again. You're just gonna swap this and I'm gonna just switch it so it should be like this. So now that you have it like that, you're going to take this piece towards the other side, on the other side, not the one close to your face, but the other side. And you're going to put that one to the middle as well. So you're going to take the middle piece and swap it out like this. See that? Let's try that again. So you're going to take this piece right here and you're going to put it under the middle piece. And now that piece should be in the middle. You see? Let's try it again. This piece, put it underneath, and that piece should be in the middle. So essentially, you're just putting the outer pieces in the middle and swapping it for the middle. So I'm going to try to do it this side again. The one closest to my face, I'm going to put it under the middle piece, and now it is the middle piece now. Then I'm going to take the outer piece and make it the middle piece by going under the one that's middle already and making it the middle piece. Okay, so I'm going to explain it a little bit more for you guys. So I have the piece next to my ear. I'm going to grab it with my pinky finger and I'm going to move it aside while I put the one closest to my ear underneath. And all you're going to do is you're just going to grab the middle piece, move it out the way for the outside pieces to go under. You guys can always rewind the video if you guys need it, but I'm going to make it under. All I'm doing is switching the middle piece. I'm going to put this piece under the middle piece so now it becomes it. Put this piece under the middle piece. Now it's the middle piece. Put this piece under, now it becomes the middle piece. So you see guys, you got a braid forming, and I'm just gonna keep on doing that. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Look, you have a cute little braid here. Now what you're gonna do is, instead of putting this piece under, you're just gonna put it over. Let me do that again. This piece, the one closest to your face, and you're gonna put it over the one in the middle. And you're gonna move the middle one, the one that used to be the middle, out the way. See that? Like that. And then you're gonna take this one and you're gonna put it over the one in the middle, and now that one becomes the outer piece. So it's pretty essentially like doing the underhand one, but instead of putting your outer pieces under, you put the outer pieces over. So now I'm gonna take this piece and I'm going to put it over this piece, and then I'm gonna put it this piece right here over the middle piece. Take this piece over the middle one, and as you can see, I kind of grabbed it with my hand so I can move the middle piece to make it, so I can move the middle piece to become the outer piece. As you can see, I just put it over, 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 over. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist the ends. And now you have a cute little braid. Alright you guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope this helped. You guys can always go back and see some of the parts. I hope this was good. I hope it wasn't too fast for you guys. You just put the outer pieces and just put them under or over the middle pieces, and you just keep on rotating and rotating and rotating like that. So y'all, I hope this helped you out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell somebody about my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.